In this video, we will cover the following topics: how to set up direct deposit in CRA, how to change, update direct deposit. Let's start with how to set up direct deposit in CRA. Step 1. Visit the official CRA website by WRTING CRA. Login on Google Platform OR by opening using the website URL www.canada.ca/my-CRA-account. Step 2. If you already have an account, log in using your CRA user ID and password or sign in using your banking partner. If you are new here, simply click on Register Father a CRA Account button and follow the instructions to get registered with the CRA. Enter your CRA user ID and password to log in to your account. Step 3. Select an individual account. Once your account is open, you will be redirected to the overview page. Next, from the side menu options, select Profile. Now, you can just scroll down and look for the Direct Deposit section. Once you see the section, click on the Edit button there. Step 4. On the Edit Direct Deposit page, scroll down the page, and you will see the Start button. Click on the Start button, and you will see the options to add bank information for direct deposit. Enter the following details: branch number, institution number, account number. You can check these details on your personal check or by contacting with your bank. Step 5. Once you entered your bank details, click Next to review and submit your details. Alternatively, you can call CRA directly. Note: using My Account option to set up direct deposit is quick and convenient. Let's see how we can change, update direct deposit. As discussed in earlier steps, follow the same procedure from Step 1 to Step 3. What to do next? Step 4. Now, on the Edit Direct Deposit page, scroll down to the section where you entered your bank details. Now update your bank details, direct deposit information, and click Next to review and submit. Thank you.